Hey guys, alright, so everyone's been wondering what car I'm going to put a 2J in. So it's going to be the E90. It's a 320i with an N46 engine. It's crazily slow though. It's a super slow car. Condition is not bad. I like the rims though. It's extremely wide. ET is a bit off, as you can see. Yeah, it's a bit off on the side, but doesn't matter though. More rubber on the pavement, more grip. I got this for fairly cheap price, 24,000 ringgit. That equals to probably 6,000, 5,000 US dollars. With car prices here, it's a little bit steep though. So everything seems good. A little bit chip marks there, stone marks. Scratch here and there, it doesn't matter. I told him it's fine. I was going to actually get the car painted. I really like the rims though. I'm going to swap the tires as well. As you can see, it's running a 235 here. And you can see the rim is actually coming out so much more wider. I think this, I believe it's 9.5G. Yep, 9.5G. A bit scratch there. I'll show you guys the interior. Oh yeah, sorry about that. I have sanitizer, obviously. It's COVID-19, right guys, so you want to make sure you're always having a sanitizer with you all the time. I've actually used this black dye. Well, it's not really a dye, it basically just how to say, god damn it, I forgot the word. Hold on, it's coming back, refurbish. Yeah, bloody hell, refurbish. So basically refurbish every black panels in the car, as you can see. It's not really nice yet. I was just testing it out yesterday night, so I can't really see it in detail, but yeah, I can see it more clearly now. I even did this side, I did the chairs, I even did the steering wheel. As you can see, the steering wheel is like almost solid black. It was horrible earlier. You can see this side, yeah, it looks horrible, right? You can see in the center bit is really black. This is the original color actually. It's black, but it's faded black. He actually did the roof lining, which is good. I don't have to spend more money on that. I'm actually gonna dye the panel here. If you can see, there's a ABS panel, right? And I'm gonna dye that as well. I did this side of carbon fiber panel. If you guys can see, I have a video on it, on how to actually do the full carbon fiber panel as well. Everything looks good, no issues with the car. I'm stripping it halfway throughout everything, guys. I'm gonna redo the wiring as well, clear the cooling coil. I've removed the blower as well, make sure it's clean, dust free. I'm going to actually send the car for tinted after this. And as you guys can see, the rear had been tinted, but the front, we have push button here, where before you change ownership of the car, you gotta send in, as usual to any countries, I guess, before transfer of ownership, they will truly check the car for any issues, and including tinted for the front and the sides as well. So we had to remove it, as you can see. Yep. The top 10-inch is fine, but yeah, the bottom part and at the sides, yep, they had to remove it. So as you can see, it's clear as crystal. So I'm gonna get this tinted, so I'll see you guys later. So for whoever was wondering, this is what I use. It's a Pro Black dye. It restores fixed faded plastic trim on your auto parts. Yes, restore, bloody hell, refurbish. Well, it's basically the same. I did this gear console as well, but as you can see clearly, it's not pretty. it's been scratched and scraped and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm going to sand it down properly and just redo them back nicely, or probably I'll just wrap this thing. Yeah, I'll probably just cover and wrap it. You can see I did the aircon panel as well. It looks solid black now. This is my workspace. I know it's horrible. It's temporary though, until I get all the parts and store it in the garage, and I should be good to do and properly manage everything. I have too much stuff though. So I was gonna head out and I realized my wife's car is on the way, so I gotta move that car first. And I forgot to put my shoes on. Before that, I'm gonna start the car real quick. It's an N64, sorry, N46. So as you can see, yep, I actually just for the time being though guys, until I get the panel all back on. Oops. Oh, okay, it's going crazy. Aha, all right, for whoever that have this issue, what happened is that you see the airbag logo light? Yep, keep saying like, I have no idea what it's saying, you know? It's just like, hey, you know, something's wrong. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what to do. It's basically very simple. Hold on, let me get to the other side. Alright, first thing you want to do is open up the glove box. Alright, as you can see inside there, not sure if you guys can see it clearly though. I'll have a picture of a much more clearer view. You guys can see that. So you're gonna twist this vertical, pull it out, you'll slide out. So that's a fuse right here, blue color one. Not sure if you guys can see that. Yep, that fuse there. Yeah, the car that I bought, this car, has an issue with it where it gets a little bit wobbly. So I have to ensure that it's properly socket, the terminal socket is properly placed in. And hold on, let me just try wiggle that a bit, and yeah, there you go. Yeah, you guys can hear that? Yeah, now it's working perfectly. So that's about it. That's all. That thing drove me nuts for hours trying to figure it out. Previous owner didn't know what was it. Most of the time he said it happens to him like once or twice, and he just called his mechanic came over and got it done in 2 minutes. So when he told me that, I figured out that it's just probably something loose, some wiring loose somewhere. So he told me it was in the glove box, so I figured it out. Because thanks to the diagram that I got from the forum, it says that if it's the airbag signal, it's probably that fuse. So yep, now it should be working. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna keep this first. Alright, now push it in, brakes, there you go, it's alive. Car is horribly dirty. I'm also going to remove this cover. I do not know where the previous owner got it done, but you can see it's actually just an overlap of the original fabric, as you can see here. Yeah, that is just horrible though. I mean, I could have done this, you know, I could just put a cover and just sew it apart, sew this part. So I really hope the owner didn't pay so much for this. And let's go get the tinted fix. So I'm gonna give it a little bit of boost. Let's go. Oh yeah, damn, that was slow. So that car's done. That was like 2 minutes, I guess. So as promised, it's 10:15. I told him I was coming at 10:30. I made an appointment though, I'm not gonna wait, so yeah, that was good. I think it's a Hyundai Coupe. I'm not so sure though. It looks like a Hyundai Coupe, but it doesn't. But I can't tell, you know. Alright, finally, let's get this going. Alright guys, all done. Looks pretty good though. I only did 50% for the front because I don't want it too dark. I did 70 on the side. Behind is 80, which the previous owner did, and the back is 70 as well. It's not too dark. I mean, I can still see, it's still visible. I want perfect visibility in the night, so yep, all looks good. All clean. Love the Max shaper.